All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to give you the final walkthrough on Marco's OBS. So this is not our traditional builds. Usually we don't do very many of the open show or pro audio style installs, but this is what he wanted. He's young, he's got the OBS, he wants it loud, he wants it in your face. Well, that's what we did. So we went with the Audio Control Epic Pro line. So this is Pro Audio's type speakers. Super powerful tweeters, mid bass, big 4-channel, 1500 watt monoblock. Got the Epicenter in there as well. And the only thing that's not audio control is the subs. So if you know anything about us, we love our Audio Mobile and their subs are just amazing. We'll show you that. The box is tiny and it fits in the single cab truck. So on this particular truck, originally he wanted a different setup and I'm just not the biggest fan of that. He wanted this giant pod that's all the rage right now up here on the top, and that just bugs me. So we ended up going a different route for him. Still accomplished the same result. In my eyes, it's actually better to do it this way. So what we ended up doing is removing the bottom half of the door. So we cut the door on this line here and in essence rebuilt this entire panel. So the bottom panel is completely fabricated in-house. So we did this detail here, which goes all the way around to mimic the detail on the door panel itself, but also that gives us some clearance so that the door panel doesn't hit any of the trim. A lot of times when you see these, because if you go all the way to the edge, it creates this giant border and that border rubs or hits. So it either hits here or it hits here. And then eventually they get worn, they get destroyed, and that's a big problem, right? So we ended up going with the two 6.5s bridged on one set of channels and the two tweeters bridged on another set of channels. We also did this acrylic piece, which is etched, and then we put in his Instagram handle right there on the windshield of the OBS there. We'll light this up in a minute. It's got some, some lighting. This panel is bolted in. So there's plush nuts or rib nuts, and there's M6 hardware that bolts the door panel to the truck. This way there's no chance of it flying off. A lot of times people will just kind of drywall it or screw it in. We prefer mechanical fasteners, but something that's got thread so that you can remove it and put it on if you ever had to. There's plugs on the lightings, there's plugs on all the speakers, just to make it as serviceable as possible. So just want to show you the lightings. So we have this logo here and this grill pattern. Now the reason for the grill pattern is because on these model of OBS, the pressure valves for the doors, the vents, are in the door panels. Typically on most of your pickups, it's on the back wall of the cab, but on this particular truck, they ended up doing it on the door. So what that does is, if you didn't have those pressure releases, you would not be able to shut the door. You can slam the door, and it just will fight you. So what that does is it lets some air escape, which allows you to shut the door. All right, so this is the enclosure. Now, the main goal was to not give up any seat space. Originally, same thing. He only wanted like 110, and I'm like, 110's not gonna get it, right? I mean, we want this thing loud. We need to match the highs. So we ended up going with 212. So we went with the Audio Mobile 12-inch drivers. If you know, these are my favorite drivers, but the reason is they work in a really small enclosure. So this enclosure is only about that deep, right? I mean, it's obviously at a slant, so the front slants, but it's 60 inches wide. We'll show you some footage of that. And we also made a pocket in order to fit the amplifier. So here you have the big 4, and then the 1501 is at the bottom. So it's a 1500 watt monoblock, and this is a big 4-channel. We have it running at the 2 ohm setting, so we're running like 320 watts a channel, which is mind-blowing. I mean, it's just rip your face off loud. So we also added this acrylic ring And the reason for that is obviously to finish it off, but it's also to do the lighting. So we're gonna show you. So just like the doors, we're trying to carry the theme through and add it to every piece that we fabricated, obviously. So turn it on. Now it highlights all your wiring, highlights the amplifier, the enclosures, just gives it a little touch. One of the other things that makes a huge difference is the enclosure is physically bolted to the truck. So we have, again, rib nuts, plush nuts into the body of the truck. And so, I mean, I can, in essence, move the truck before the enclosure moves. That is super helpful because you're not losing energy in the box kind of vibrating around. All that energy is being transferred to the cab. He was expecting to lose a few inches of seat travel. He ended up losing nothing. So I can slide the seat all the way back and have no issues with the enclosure. This is the Epicenter Micro knob. We talked about this in other videos, but we really like the Epicenter Micro because it has dual knobs, so they're concentric. So it has the outer knob and the inner knob. The outer knob controls the effect as far as the Epicenter goes. The center knob is actually the volume controller, the bass knob, the actual how much bass you have. The outer knob is how much effect you have on the bass. So if you know anything about like Spanish music, old rock music, older music in general, they were recorded with no bass or very little bass. So what the Epicenter knob does is it recreates that bass that is missing in the music. And it makes banda, corrido, Spanish music hit like rap music or EDM or pick your favorite bass heavy songs, right? Bass heavy music. I mean, it just it's a whole new experience. I'm gonna have you guys stand right here and face the other way. All right. Let me go get it turned on and then I'm gonna have you turn around, all right? Give me 1 second. What do you think, brother? What do you think? A little better than you thought?
Oh my God. This thing is
Right? Wow.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.